Expectations. Honestly, we went through the residency and coachman and fell in love with the concept. I knew that the app was like a weapon that's like I needed to really master, or at least get to know before even implementing, before implementing what coachman has been talking about and stuff. So coming in here, trying to understand the app was really all I was expecting, and it was more than enough information regarding the app side. So it was awesome getting buried in it and stuff. So course in general was great. I mean, it's small. Yeah, knowing that we had to practice, and having that small group environment, direct relationship with everybody here, made the hugest difference on the standpoint of trying to like learn and be able to not be like in a mass group. So it was nice. Overall, it was great. Oh, for sure. Yeah. We have to implement from day one to provide that experience, and we already had everything set up. So all we had to do is just know how to use it. So thanks for the course today.